It is always tricky to drive in foggy weather. The lack of visibility can cause serious problems. So how do you ensure your ride is smooth and untroubled by the weather? Simple. You follow these steps. Try not to rush. Leave early than usual and allow yourself extra time for the journey. Use wiper blades of your car to clean mist from the windshield. Clean your rearview mirrors and your windshield before starting your car. If the visibility is very limited, wind down your windows at junctions.
As a caution, avoid using high beam lights, as the glare caused by it does not allow you to see what's ahead on the road.
The temperature difference between the inside and the outside of the car can cause windows to fog up. Follow these steps to defog. In case of automatic climate control, select the front icon. Select the fish air icon. In case of manual climate control, select the defogger icon. Set the fan to high speed. Switch to fresh air mode. Press the AC button. Use the central marking line to stay safe from the oncoming traffic. Ensure a healthy distance is maintained between you and the vehicle ahead to account for sudden stops and changes in the traffic pattern. Avoid using hazard lights as it creates confusion while you are trying to take a turn or change lanes. To avoid any unfortunate accidents, ensure you are not frequently changing lanes. If the visibility near you turns to zero, go for the best course of action. Switch on your hazard lights and pull into a secure location. In case you do not find a safe location, stop by this side of the road. Turn off all the lights except the hazard lights. Set the emergency brake. Take your foot off the pedal. Ensure the tail lights are on and wait till the mist gets cleared. Go for these simple safety tips and drive safe during foggy weather.